briefly introduce end-to-end AIOps in just 5 minutes. It's a central concept. What is it and what does it do? Let us start. What is end-to-end AIOps? AIOps involves using AI, machine learning, and big data to support and automate all primary network operations. AIOps is an evolution complementing existing frameworks such as DevOps, Agile, ISO, and so on, where we add specific steps and practices to develop, deploy, and operate AI software components differing from traditional software. To date, November 2022, an ongoing workstream in Firm aims at developing an end-to-end AIOps framework demonstrating how AI can be leveraged at scale across the business. So, what AIOps can do for us? Firstly, end-to-end AIOps address the whole life cycle of iteratively designing, developing, deploying, operating, and maintaining hundreds or even thousands of AI models within it and network operations. Secondly, a common focus of AIOps is building ML pipeline to automate data processing, model training, deployment, and productionization, similar to traditional SICT. But there are unique challenges for AIOps lifecycle, such as data and model bias, machine learning model drifting, feature engineering, and online training, ETC. These are open points we need to proper address to achieve a mature AIOps ecosystem. Recently, TM Forum published best practice deliverable on end-to-end AIOps lifecycle. In Phase 1, we standardize an end-to-end tool-agnostic and use-case agnostic software lifecycle for managing AI components. Lifecycle covers all stages, from initial conception, design, development, deployment, production, maintenance, until their final decommissioning. This workstream started in December 2021. To date, October 2022, we have published the best practice on E2E AIOps lifecycle and the AIOps design and development, which is downloadable. As can be seen, for each stage of AIOps lifecycle, it can be further broken down into more steps and components for design and development, deployment and production, online training, as well as application maintenance respectively. The AIOps design and development cycle explicitly addresses the creation of AI components embedding machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL, technologies. It tackles the specific challenges and risks typical of AI products and services. For each stage of the cycle, we have discussed the specific input, the activities involved, and the outcome, as well as the stakeholders and their responsibility. We start to discuss the AIOps use case and AIOps system functional solution architecture based on the E2E AIOps lifecycle process. This architecture can be considered as the implementation foundation of E2E AIOps system, which consists of AI, big data, and visualization technology, ETC. It supports E2E AI intelligent analysis processes to achieve the E2E AIOps lifecycle management. The architecture is consistent with the AIOps framework. Okay, hope you have learned something useful in 5 minutes. Besides, don't forget to subscribe this channel to keep updated on the latest IML technology trends and topics. Download a copy of this slide deck and the step-by-step hands-on notebook, plus many more free data science ebooks and resources.